Welcome to this tutorial on setting styles in version 12 MPO software. Styles are sometimes known as skins. They define the overall appearance of a program. Styles can set the background and text color of forms, entry fields, the shape and coloring of controls such as buttons, among other things. When you start almost any program under Windows that doesn't specifically set or allow you to set a style, Windows uses a default set of colors and appearance for everything on the screen. Most programs in the version 12 MPO software suite allow setting their own style that's independent of the skin used in any other program. You may choose to use a specific style for all things asteroid, or another for variable stars. If you're running more than one program at a time, this might avoid some confusion. To choose one of the available styles, use the drop-down combo box that's seen on the MPO programs that support changing styles, which is almost all of them. When you select a style, the program appears to go away for a second or two. That's normal. What's happening is that all the controls are being refreshed to use the selected style. Using the MPO Canopus configuration form, here's a full set of available styles. If you want to have a program use the default Windows settings, select Windows from the list of available styles. Not all programs will offer the full set of styles, and a limited number of programs will not allow changing the style from their main form. An example is the configuration form. It uses the style selected on the MPO Canopus program launcher. Styles are one of the many new features in version 12 MPO software. We hope you find them useful. To download more tutorials, visit our YouTube channel. For comments, questions, or technical support, visit our support page on Groups.io.